Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this video. Appreciate your time and your support. Before I get started, I want to give a huge shout out to Duke Steele, a gentleman that lives in the same city as I do. He's a friend, a subscriber, been part of Team My Project 13 for quite some time. He is letting me use his Xiaomi Mi A2 Lite. He said, keep it as long as you want. So here it is in the house. And you're going to be part of the reviewing process of the Mi A2 Lite. And I am super stoked to use this device. An Android One smartphone. Basically what you're getting is stock Android. That's what you're getting here. Stock Android. Other specs include Android Pie. Your system is up to date. Android version 9. Security patch level May 1st, 2019. This smartphone came out in July of 2018. So almost a year old. Aluminum body, a 12 megapixel camera, a 5 megapixel camera with electronic image stabilization, a fingerprint reader, 5 megapixel shooter on the front, along with a 5.84 inch 1080p IPS LCD display. An aluminum body, the color blue, but it looks more teal to me. All right, let's go ahead and turn off the Mi A2 Lite and test out the fingerprint reader. 1, 2, 3. And not the fastest, but not the slowest. 1, 2, 3. It works just fine. No issues whatsoever. 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of internal storage, expandable memory up to 256 gigs. Already mentioned the cameras. Qualcomm Snapdragon 625. So that should be enough with this Android One smartphone, the Mi A2 Lite, as far as performance and functionality, but I'll be testing that out. Also, as a phone, got to make sure I get phone calls. I can make phone calls, texting in and out as well. 4,000 milliamp battery, fast charge. Got that adapter there so I can utilize this wall charger. That's unique. I've always wanted to have one of these in hand, and finally I got the opportunity. Let's see, what else? No wireless charging, no IP rating as far as water and dust resistant. But you know, that's basically the specs. And at this point, I just want to use it. Let's go into YouTube and listen to this speaker. We'll go to some free music because I don't want to get myself in trouble. Seems pretty fluid. Wow, yeah, it seems really fluid. We'll go right here and one speaker right here. Mic. This is not USB Type-C, by the way. IR blaster, which is something really cool to see. You really don't see that a lot. Headphone jack, so that's cool. And you got your SIM tray right in there. And on this side, your power button, your volume rocker. So there you go. Okay, let me play something else really quick. Not bad, not bad. I'm not using a microphone to shoot this video. I'm using the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. And you can let me know how everything looks and how everything sounds. But yeah, super stoked to review this device. Again, shout out to Duke Steele. What an honor to be able to get a device and use it for as long as I want, and share the reviewing process with all of you. Maybe we can look at some visual quality here. I'm going to look for some 4K vid. And oh, maybe I should check. Oh, there we go. Get it into landscape mode. That's actually really nice. Very crisp, very sharp. From where I'm sitting, it looks really, really good. Really good. I'm going to watch a lot of videos, a lot of movies, listen to a lot of music, and make sure the performance and functionality, optimization, all of that, battery life with the 4,000 milliamp battery, and you know, stay tuned for more. I'll be vlogging with this device early in the morning and the afternoon. I'll be giving you updates in those videos. So make sure you watch all those videos. If this is a device that interests you, it's going to cost you under 200 smacks, different price points. You got to do your homework. But this may be one of those budget devices from last year that you may want as a daily driver or as a backup device. That's up to you. But I am super stoked to finally get a device like this in hand here on my Project 13 and share it with all of you. So yeah, I'm super stoked. If there's anything I missed, you can leave that information down below, those questions in the comment section, and I'll do my best to answer. Please stay tuned for more Xiaomi Mi A2 Lite Android One smartphone. Yeah.